Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of car accessories with the LINGVIDO red faux leather auto seat covers. A stylish and practical upgrade for your vehicle's interior. Designed for universal fit, these seat covers feature a unique Velcro connection for easy installation and adjustable length, accommodating most vehicles from sedans to SUVs and even vans. Safety is a priority with these covers, as they are compatible with airbags and have reserved slots for seat belts, ensuring they integrate seamlessly into your car's original design. The covers boast a stylish design with simple, classic elements and unique embroidery, adding a splash of color to your interior while maintaining a sleek look. Made from high-quality faux leather, these covers are not only soft and durable but also waterproof and breathable, thanks to delicately perforated surfaces and high rebound sponge for maximum comfort. The non-slip fabric on the bottom layer keeps the covers securely in place, so you can get in and out of your car worry-free. Installation is a breeze with included instructions and easy-to-follow videos, transforming your car's look and feel in just 10 to 20 minutes. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.